Welcome to OptinexTech. In this video, we'll walk you through creating a dynamic accordion component in React. Accordions are a great way to manage large sets of content by collapsing sections and expanding only what's necessary. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to build a fully functional, reusable accordion that responds to your data dynamically. Let's dive in and start coding. First, we'll create a new folder named Accordion inside the components directory. Inside the Accordion folder, we'll create two files. Index.js, which will contain the logic for our accordion component, and accordion.css, which will handle all the styles for the accordion. Moving to index.js file, let's start by importing React's useStateHook and our custom CSS file to style the accordion. Next, we define our accordion component, which takes in items as props. The active index state will store the index of the open accordion, starting as null when none of the sections are open. When a user clicks on an accordion title, toggle accordion function will either expand the section or collapse it if it's already open. Next, we'll start by returning a simple div with the class name accordion. This will act as the container for all of our accordion items. Then, we use the map function to loop through the items array and return an accordion item for each entry. Each accordion item gets a unique key based on its index to keep React's reconciliation process efficient. Then, we use the accordion title class for the title element. If the active index matches the current index, we add the active class to indicate that this accordion item is expanded. When the title is clicked, we call toggle accordion, passing in the current index to update the state. Inside the title, we display the item's title using the h3 tag. Additionally, we dynamically set an icon that shows plus when collapsed and minus when expanded. Then, we use conditional rendering here. If the active index equals the current index, we display the corresponding content inside the accordion content div. Finally, we export the accordion component so it can be used in other parts of our application. Moving to CSS file, let's start by adding basic styling to the accordion container. We'll give it a border, a slide border, radius, some margin for spacing from the top of the page, and set a fixed width of 768 pixels. Next, we'll style each individual accordion item. Each item will be separated by a bottom border to make it clear where one section ends and another begins. Now, let's style the accordion titles. We'll make sure the title is aligned properly, with space between the text and the toggle icon. We also add padding for spacing and a hover effect for better interactivity. To make the active accordion title stand out, we'll apply a new background color and change the text color. When users hover over a title, the background color will subtly change. Next, we'll style the icon that appears to the right of each title. We'll adjust its size to make it visually prominent. Finally, we'll style the content area that gets revealed when the accordion is open. We'll add padding for spacing and a light background to differentiate it from the title. First, we will create data folder inside src. Inside data folder, create faq.js file which will export all FAQ questions and answers. Moving to app.js file, import that faq.json from data folder. Then we import accordion component from components. Then, in return statement, we've added a header titled Frequently Asked Questions to clearly indicate the purpose of this section. Right below it, we're rendering the accordion component and passing in the FAQ data as props. Welcome to the demo of our dynamic accordion component used as an FAQ section. As you can see, each FAQ question is displayed as a collapsible accordion. Clicking on any question reveals the answer below it. For example, if I click on "What services does your company offer?" the answer smoothly appears, providing more information. When I click on another question, like "How can I contact customer support?" the previous section closes, and the new answer is displayed. This keeps the interface clean and easy to navigate, with only one answer visible at a time. If I click on the same question again, it collapses and hides the content. This accordion component is fully dynamic, meaning you can easily add or remove facts by just updating the data, and the component will handle the rest. The transition is smooth, and it enhances the user experience by organizing content effectively. This component works great for facts, product details, or any content that benefits from a collapsible structure. And that's a wrap. We now have fully customized dynamic accordion component in React. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for upcoming videos.